Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video will be a Q&A. So I asked some questions on IG and ayun, I'll be getting my questions from there. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it and let's get started. Okay, first question, why did you start YouTube? Honestly, hindi ko alam yung sagot dito, but I think I was just inspired by other people who has been making their own content and ayun, wala rin ako magawa this quarantine and one of the things or one of my weaknesses is speaking in front of people without a script. Like, I can speak properly but I just have to memorize what I have to say, but in YouTube, this is quite hard because if you really have to memorize everything, magkatagal tayo dyan kasi ang tagal-tagal mo i-memorize, hindi ka mag-a-adlib, and ayun. So, my first few videos was like that. I started making a script, but honestly, it was a lot difficult to follow something rather than just blurting out everything you want to say. So, ayun, I think it's just a way for me to boost my confidence whenever I speak publicly, and ayun, it's just something fun to do that's not ACAD related. Next question. Who are your favorite YouTubers? So, I think international would be Alicia Marie and Lord DIY. Not because of their old contents, but I love their contents right now because it's really authentic and it's them. Parang, you know, na they're not faking anything or they're not, you know, putting on a show or something. And also, maybe siguro bias ako kasi I also listen to their podcasts. So, wala. It's just really fun to listen also kasi, wala, you just get to know them more than just the video. Siguro for local naman, Chris Uy, Rehimar, Rai Velasco. Next question. If you could be someone else, who would it be and why? Esther Exposito. I don't know how to pronounce her name properly. But yes, si Carla from Elite. Wala lang, ang ganda na kasi. And she's just 20 years old. 2-year age gap, tapos ganang kaganda. Naluloko mo ko. Okay, next question. How are you going through your online classes? Honestly, it's been chill for the most part. Like, chill just cause I try to divide all my time separately. So, talagang ina-organize ko yung oras ko kasi kapag di ko talaga siya inayos, as in, guguho na lang lahat ng kailangan gawin. So, yun. Yun na yung feel ko like something that helped me for online classes. Best iPad apps, honestly, two most apps that I use talaga sa iPad ko is GoodNotes and Procreate. Next question, what do you do to stay motivated for school? Honestly, the thing that works for me is rewarding myself. So that could be me eating my favorite food, watching a series, self-care, relaxing things for me na I don't have to stress about ACADS. So parang, what I do is, binabaliktad ko. Okay, if you are the type of person na parang, okay, I'm gonna watch first, tapos gagawin ko ito na lang mamaya. Hindi ko yun kaya. Kasi, I stress about it. So, kunyari, kung nanonood ako, hindi ako nakakapag-relax, hindi ako nag-enjoy. Parang ganon. Kasi I stress about something else. So, what I do is, binabaliktad ko. So, gagawin ko muna, tapos saka ako mag-fun. So, yun. That's what keeps me motivated for school. Is para matapos siya, para makagawa na ako na iba. Next question. What is your favorite medium? I think this is arki related. Actually, kung arki talaga, markers. Kasi yun yung pinakamadali. And, alam mo yun, like, you can just watch a tutorial about markers and you'll learn how to use it. Unlike other stuff, other mediums. For me naman, if hindi naman siya ACAD related or like, it's just for fun, I usually grab watercolor kasi wala. Mas madaling kumuha ng colors. Medyo gastos kasi kapag acrylic kasi. Kasi ang daming tube, ang daming kalat. So, yun. Watercolor. Okay, next question. Stuff you do to de-stress. For me, it's watching. It's either watching YouTube or Netflix. It's my way of de-stressing because I'm distracted. Kasi may sariling buhay yung characters. So, parang na-invest ka doon. Nakakalimutan mo yung sarili mong buhay. So, yun na lang yung way ko to de-stress stuff. To forget about things first. And yun, it makes me relax. Next question. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Okay. Second year ako ngayon. 3, 2. Magbo-boards pa lang ako. Or tapos na ako mag-board. Sana pumasa ako. But I think at that time, sana may job na ako. And siguro nasa firm ako or something. Basta hindi pa siguro like, I'm not going solo or anything. And maybe at that time, I'm planning to take up another degree. Maybe a master's. Also, I think I'm gonna be taking up another degree. Maybe ID or maybe mag-masters ako. Let's see, I don't know yet, but that's what I'm hoping. Sana pumasa. Okay, most memorable HS experience. I think it was fair, during the fair, my last year. And second ako, so if you're security committee, kailangan mo nagbabantay ka, di ba? Ganyan. Tapos ng concert, yung second day ng fair concert, kasi nandun si Reese Lansangan. So, kinapalan ko na yung mukha ko. Pumunta ako backstage. I was like, oh, where's Reese Lansangan? Tapos, ayan, pumunta ako sa room. Tapos nagpakilala ako. Tapos nagpa-record ako ng video. Tapos yung picture pa kami. Wala lang. Kinilig lang ako kasi kinapalan ko rin yung mukha ko. Like, makikita ko naman siya sa stage. But like, you know, backstage. Next question. If di ka nag-UP, where would you be studying now? UST. Kasi arki. And also, actually, yun yung pupunahan ko dapat talaga. Like, ako nagbayad ng sarili kong reservation fee. Kasi nga, ayaw ng parents ko. Kasi naniniwala sila na papasa ako ng UP. Nag-bet pa ako na parang, if hindi talaga ako pumasa ng UP, na arki, like, if other course, na UP Diliman pa rin, mag-UST ako. So, ayun, yun nga, natuloy. So, ayun, I'm in UP. Next question, why arki? Lagi itong tinatanong sa akin, ito lang ang default sagot ko. Nung bata ako, mahilig ako tumingin sa mga miniature na model. So, yung mga nakikita mo sa SM, yung mga commercial, yung mga may condo, tapos may bahay. So, may sasakyan. Ayun, wala. Sobrang fun lang niya tingnan. Akala ko fun siya gawin. And thinking about it now, hindi siya ganun ka-charot. But, ayun, maganda naman yung result niya pagkatapos. Pero during the process, medyo stressful talaga siya gawin. Next question. Who is your barkada? Hindi ko alam kung i-disclose ko yung barkada name namin. Kasi hindi ko rin alam paano naging ganun. But, my OG barkada from HS is cis planets. Hindi ko rin alam. Tanongin niyo na lang sila bakit cis planets. Pero yun, cis planets. So, nabasa ko na to. Syempre, ready na ako para makita sa inyo. Ano po ang arki essentials niyo, especially during online classes? So, it's really hard to decide right now because, you know, you're online. It's really hard to consult. And feel ko yung pinaka-important for me is my laptop. Kasi yun, nakakatamad na kasi mag-manual drafting. So, ayun. SketchUp tayo. Tapos, tinuturo na rin kasi kami mag-CAD. So, ayun. Next essentials are physical things. So, talagang dinala ko to. Pinasa ko na yung question. Tapos, saka ko pa kinuha. So, first is my scale. Meron din akong fan scale, but I prefer this because it's easier to measure things on paper. But, eto kasi yung pinaka-handy, especially when you're making a floor plan. Kailangan mo talaga i-measure properly. So, ayun. Kaya ako ito gusto kasi wala, it's just really important. And next is eto. Tape ruler or metro. Kasi, for me, whenever I design spaces, I really have to measure it physically. So we're given naman like standards for each space, like yung minimum niya. But I still like having this just to measure if it's too big, ganon. Especially if it's too big. Kasi sometimes when you look at things na naka-scale, parang, hindi naman siya masyadong malaki. Lalo na if wala kang scale na furniture na kailangan mo dun sa scale mo. So, kunyari, 1:50, wala kang furniture scale na 1:50. Mas mahirap yun kasi hindi mo matatansya kung gaano kalaki yung furniture na nilagay mo dun sa space. So, ayun. So, this is what I do. So, kunyari, measure ko. Ganito lang dapat ka-deep yung counter. Or like, ito dapat yung space para for walking, yung hallway, gano'n. Ewan ko, basta ito talaga. And lastly, itong electric eraser. Ewan ko, quarantine fine na. I've been eyeing on this for the longest time, but then I was like, di ko naman ito gagamitin. So, ito na lang binili ko kasi electric siya. And then, what I love about this, what I love about this is when I make models, yung glue, yung excess glue, pag binuksan mo to, di ba nag-vibrate na siya. So, mas nababakbak yung dirt ng mga ginawa mo sa models mo. So, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko talaga sa kanya. Last question. How do you balance org, ACADS, friends, family, YouTube, business? Pinagsama-sama ko kasi pare-pareho lang sila ng tanong about balancing everything. So, for me, it all boils down to time management. The best tip I could give you is to plan out your week ahead. Not just plan out your day on that specific day. Especially now na it's online classes. And everything depends on your time and how you manage everything. So for me, ang ginagawa ko, okay, let's start with Tuesday. Because dun talaga mostly meron akong class. So Tuesday, okay, I have class. So, in the morning, after my class, after all my classes are finished, if I have to study for a subject, kunyari math or physics, kasi every day meron kaming lesson. So, if I have to study in that day, ayun, gagawin ko na agad. So, mostly tapos na ako sa school, in general, around 1 p.m. That's 12, 1, that's earliest siguro. And then, sa afternoon naman, if ever I have other homework to do, meron akong kailangang plate na gawin, that's when I dedicate most of my time for that. And then, Wednesday, Thursday, it's Friday, parang sequence na yan. Pare-pareho lang. Then, Saturday, ayun, doon na talaga bumubuhos ang work stuff. Kasi, doon ako nagsisimulang gumawa ng kailangan kong gawin the following week for that org. Kasi baka, if gawin ko during the week itself, kunyari weekday, medyo nagka-cram ako kung ganun. So, gusto ko ahead of time na para on that week, medyo wala nang gagawin. Like, ipopost ko na lang kung meron akong kailangan i-post. And then, ayun, puro meetings then on the weekend. So, yun naman, wala naman nagko-coincide masyado na meetings, thankfully. And then, Sunday is sometimes when I upload my videos or Saturday. It depends if I have time to edit. So, I usually edit naman like Friday, Saturday. Yun, yung days na yun. But if I'm not doing anything talaga, as in like, I'll start editing like weekdays. Like, kunyari, lalo na pag-vlog, tatry ko na yung kunyari Wednesday. Start ko na i-edit yung Monday tsaka yung Tuesday. Para everyday, i-insert ko na lang yung clips. Tapos na ako. And then, Sunday, that is the time when I bake my stuff. So, doon ko ginagawa yung business stuff. So, doon din ako nag-iisip ng mga ipopost or yung i-layout ko. Pero usually, nakaschedule to post na yan. So, hindi na ako nag-worry. And then, sa afternoon naman, basta after I bake, that's the time when I bond with my family. And yun, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi kapag Sundays kasi chill lang ako, nandun lang ako sa kwarto ng magulang ko, nakikigulo. And for friends naman, usually weekends, like, hindi naman kami masyado like yung video call, but if merong ganap, makikilaro ako. If merong ganap sa org na parang chill related lang, manonood ng movie or like may mag-Among Us kami. So that's the time that I bond with other people. So, ayun, medyo mahaba explanation ko, but tip is organize your time talaga, lay it all out before the week starts para you don't have to stress about everything. So that ends this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it, and thank you for watching.